Let's take a look at this book titled Velociraptor by Susan H. Gray, illustrated by Robert Squire. Here's the table of contents. You can take a look at it yourself. What was Velociraptor? Velociraptor was a small dinosaur. Its name means quick thief. Velociraptor was certainly quick. It had strong legs and it was a fast runner. But no one really knows whether it was a thief. Thieves steal food. Thieves steal things such as food. Velociraptor probably caught its own food. Velociraptor didn't have to worry about other dinosaurs chasing it. It could outrun almost anything. What did Velociraptor look like? Velociraptor was not very big. It weighed about the same as a child in the second grade. It had a big head and a mouth loaded with sharp teeth. Velociraptor's small size is one reason it was so fast. Its sharp teeth tell us that it was a meat eater. Velociraptor ran around on two legs. It held its tail up off the ground as it ran. This helped the speedy dinosaur to keep its balance. Velociraptor's hands and feet had sharp claws. Each foot had one especially big claw. Scientists sometimes call it the killing claw. It was one powerful weapon. We know about Velociraptor's claws from the bones scientists have found in the picture above. The foot claws were like giant knives. What about those claws? The killing claw was on the second toe of each foot. It was curved and very sharp. When Velociraptor ran, it held that toe up. The claw did not touch the ground, but when Velociraptor jumped on its prey, look out! Down came that claw. In one swift move, the killing claw did its work. These bones show Velociraptor fighting a Proceratops. Proceratops was no match for the Velociraptor's sharp claws. How did Velociraptor spend its day? Velociraptor spent part of its day hunting. It trotted along, looking this way and that. Maybe a group of velociraptors hunted together. Scientists study preserved dinosaur footprints to learn how fast some dinosaurs moved. The footprints above are near Cameron, Arizona. When a group of velociraptors saw a slow dinosaur, they swarmed over it. They bit and clawed until the beast fell over. Then they stuffed themselves with fresh meat. After that, they might not have eaten again for days. Velociraptor groups use teamwork to take down much bigger dinosaurs. How do we know about Velociraptor? All of the dinosaurs died out millions of years ago. Most of them just rotted away, but some dinosaur fossils are still around. Scientists have found many Velociraptor fossils. Fossilized dinosaur eggs, such as the one in the picture above, are among the rarest of fossils. Bone beds, such as this one in Colorado, tell scientists much about how dinosaurs lived and died. Scientists have found Velociraptor bones, teeth, and claws. They have also found an awesome Velociraptor skeleton. Another dinosaur skeleton was with it. The two were fighting when they died. Their skeletons were still locked in battle. This is one of the best dinosaur discoveries ever. These fossilized skeletons of Velociraptor fighting a Proceratops are very famous. The two dinosaurs might have fallen into sand as they were fighting. Where have Velociraptor bones been found? This map shows Russia, the Gobi Desert, Inner Mongolia, China. Who finds the bones? Fossil hunters find dinosaur bones. Some fossil hunters are scientists. Others are people who hunt fossils for fun. They go to areas where dinosaurs once lived. They find bones in rocky places, in mountainsides, and in deserts. When fossil hunters discover dinosaur bones, they get busy. They use picks to chip rocks away from the fossils. They use small brushes to sweep off any dirt. They take pictures of the fossils. They also write notes about where the fossils were found. They want to remember everything. Fossil hunters use many tools to dig up fossils. It is very important to use the right tools so the fossils do not get damaged. And here's the glossary. So let's take a look at those important words that were highlighted in purple in the text. Beast. A beast is a large wild animal. Discoveries. Discoveries are things that have never been found before. Fossils. Fossils are preserved parts of plants and animals that died long ago. Prey. An animal that is caught and eaten by another animal is called prey. Proceratops. Proceratops was a chunky plant-eating dinosaur. Scientists. Scientists are people who study how things work through observations and experiments. Skeleton. The skeleton is the set of bones in a body. Thief. A thief is a person or animal that steals things. And velociraptor. Velociraptor was a dinosaur that lived about 80 million years ago.